Hi, I am Syed Rashid from Ahlabad High School and Junior College, Kotla Alija, Hyderabad. You are watching Ahlabad Institute YouTube channel. Welcome to my video to all my students as well as all the viewers. Today we will going to learn our intermediate physics second year second chapter. The chapter name, as you know, ray optics and optical instrument. Now our today's topic is mirror formula. First I will going to explain you about the mirror formula. What is mirror formula? Student, you have already learned in your 10th class also. Mirror formula is nothing but 1 by f is equals to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Here f is nothing but focal length, and what is focal length of, you can say like focal length of mirror, you can say, as well as we have v as image distance, u as object distance, distance. Okay, so this is our mirror formula, and this mirror formula is applicable for your plane mirror as well as for spherical or curved mirror. And with the help of this formula we will going to learn few things. Like in today's class I will going to solve one problem on the basis of this formula. After that we will going to learn about the rule to draw the ray diagrams for concave mirror and convex mirror. So to solve the problem I need few space. So first of all I like to rough this thing. After that we will start our problem. Okay, we are solving one problem in this lesson, that reflection of light at curved surface. I am just placing the question on your screen, as well as I will read this question once. You can listen carefully. Okay, an object 4 centimeter in size is placed at 25 centimeter in front of concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. At what distance from the mirror would a screen be placed in order to obtain a sharp image? Find the nature and the size of the image. देखिए बच्चों, ये जो सवाल पूछा गया है कॉनकेव मिरर के ताल्लुक से पूछा गया है। कॉनकेव मिरर के सामने क्या कर रहे हैं, एक ऑब्जेक्ट रख रहे हैं। वो ऑब्जेक्ट कौन सा भी रह सकता है जो 25 सेंटीमीटर पे है, और उस कॉनकेव मिरर की जो फोकल लेंथ है 15 सेंटीमीटर है। तो आपको इमेज डिस्टेंस यानी कि कौन से जगह पे आपको स्क्रीन रखना चाहिए ताकि आपको शार्प इमेज आए, उस वो आप मालूम करना है। इसके साथ साथ नेचर और साइज ऑफ द इमेज भी आपको मालूम करना है। इसका क्वेश्चन, दिस क्वेश्चन आई ऑलरेडी पुट ऑन योर स्क्रीन. After now I am solving this question, you can see on board. Okay, so first I am solving this with the help of diagram. Okay, you can see the diagram. Look at here. I hope you can see this part of the board. Let us suppose this is our concave mirror. Okay, what it was asked in the question, that at 25 centimeter object it is placed. Let this be object. Okay, 25 centimeter place, and the focal length of that mirror is, the focal length of that mirror, what it's given, yes students, 15 centimeter. You can see what we need to 25 centimeter is u. Okay, f is given, u is given. We need to find v. V is equals to how much? Okay, as well as what it is given in the question, like ho, height of the object, how much it is given as height of the object is 4 centimeter. Okay, so we need to find one more thing, like hi. So we need to find two things, hi and v. Now I am just putting the values according to sign conversion theory. Okay, according to the sign conversion theory, you can see here focal length f is equals to 15 centimeter, but we need to take this as minus 15. Why we have to take minus 15? I said that if this is opposite to the incident light, f is from opposite to the incident side, we are taking this as, and object distance u is equals to same, minus 25 centimeter we need to take. Object height of object, that is hi is equals to 4 centimeter. We need to take it as plus. Why we have taking plus? Because it is above the axis, upward of the axis we need to take plus. What we need to find? Image distance. Image distance v is equals to how much, and height of the image we need to find. Look at the board, you can see height of the image we need to find. Okay student, till now you can copy down this problem. According to sign conversion theory, focal length f is equals to minus 15 centimeter, object distance u is equals to minus 25, height of the object ho is equals to plus 4, image distance v is equals to how much, height of the image hi is equals to how much. This is our this. Now we know that what we know. Okay student, we know what we know, nothing. क्या मालूम आप लोगों को, कुछ भी नहीं मालूम, ठीक है मैं बोलता हूँ. वी नो दैट मिरर फार्मूला, मिरर फार्मूला पता है ना, चलिए बोलिए, कम ऑन गेस. वेरी गुड स्टूडेंट. मिरर फार्मूला इज नथिंग बट 1 बाई एफ इज इक्वल्स टू 1 बाई वी प्लस 1 बाई यू. जस्ट वी नीड टू सब्सटीट्यूट द वैल्यूज. ओके, सब्सटीट्यूट यू एंड एफ इन मिरर फार्मूला. So 1 by f, what is f? Minus 15, you can see, by 1 by v, we need to find, plus 1 by u, u is nothing but minus 25. Hope you understood this thing. Just I am substituting f is equals to minus 15 in place of f. V is equals to, we don't know, just v is equals to, we kept as v on like this, plus 1 by u is equals to minus 25. Just I am placing this 1 by minus 25 here. So what is this? This become plus 1 by 25 minus 1 by 15 as it is equals to 1 by v. Okay, I am solving this, you can see. So I am just writing 1 by u v this side. Okay, then this is just I am cross multiplying. You have more than one methods to solve this. Here I am taking like cross multiplying, I am doing here, like 15 minus 25 by 25 15 the 25 10 the 250, like that, like 25 5 the 125, it is nothing but 375. Okay, 1 by v is equals to minus 10 by 375. Students, still here you can copy this. After that I am continuing this by after rubbing the board. This is very simple. Once again I am explaining. Just we are substituted value 1 by f means minus 15, 1 by v as it is, 1 by, in place of u I wrote like minus 25. Now just this minus 25 go left hand side, it's become plus 1 by 25, its minus become plus. After that minus 1 by 15 is equals to 1 by v. So I am just cross multiplying, you can see the arrows once again, this into this, this into 25 15 1 the 15, 25 1 the 25, minus is as it is by 25 15 the 375. So 1 by v is equals to minus 10 by 375. Copy down till here, we will continue after rubbing the board. Okay, okay student, what we got, 1 by v is equals to minus 10 by 375. Okay, just I am opposing, v is equals to minus 375 by 10. Once we divide, like 10 1 the 10, 37.5 minus 37.5 centimeter is the image distance. The answer is image distance. Why it is showing minus means, okay, because it is on opposite direction of incident ray, that's why it is showing minus. Now HEIGST, height of image. Okay, we know the formula, m is equals to hi by ho is equals to minus v by u. Okay, just I am substituting hi, we don't know, I am writing hi as same as hi. Ho, what we have, ho 4 minus like that, what we got, v is nothing but minus 37.5, u is nothing but minus 25. Okay, minus minus get cancelled. Okay, now I am writing here hi is equals to, look at the board all of you, hi is equals to minus 37.5 by 25 into just this 4 cross multiply into 4. Here we can write after doing this. So hi is equals to this. Once we solve this, we will get the answer like minus 6. Okay, hi is equals to minus 6. In question it is asked like image nature also. So as you are seeing that the height of the object is 4 centimeter, okay, you see height of the object is 4 centimeter, but height of the image is 6 centimeter. So simply we can prove that image is enlarged and inverted. Okay, so nature of image, image is inverted and enlarged. So this is a sample problem. Now our topic is ray diagram for concave mirror. Student, look at the board. Ray diagram for concave mirror. Concave mirror ray diagrams means what is happening means, to get the image from concave mirror we need some rules, we need to follow that rule. So this rule is nothing but ray diagram rules for concave mirror. So look at the board. This is an rule 1 and these rules in your reader you can find on page number 6, 7 and 8. Okay student, rule 1. The ray parallel to principal axis travels and incident on concave mirror. After reflection it passes through focus. So diagrammatically representation I am giving. Look at here. This is an concave mirror. Okay. This is an principal axis. When the rays travel parallel to the principal axis, after reflection it passes through focus. Look at this. This is an incident ray and this is an reflected ray, IR. So very simple rule 1 you can remember. The rays parallel to principal axis travels and incident on concave mirror. After reflection it passes through focus. जैसा कि मैं बता रहा था, कॉन्केव मिरर है, रेस ट्रैवल हो रही पैरेलल टू कॉन्केव मिरर. जैसा कॉन्केव मिरर पे इंसिडेंट होने के बाद वो रिफ्लेक्ट होते, जब वो रिफ्लेक्ट होते ना तो फोकस की तरफ से पास होते, यानी फोकस से टच होते हुए पास होते. ये हमारा कॉन्केव मिरर का रूल 1 बोलता. देखिए उसके बाद नेक्स्ट रूल है अपने पास, रूल 2 आप ले सकते हैं. सेम इसका उल्टा रहेगा रूल 2. लुक एट द बोर्ड. The rays incident on concave mirror through focus. Okay, after reflection it's become parallel to principal axis. Look at here. This is an concave mirror, as you can see. This is an principal axis. Let this be the focus. Okay. Look at the board. The light, the rays incident on concave mirror through focus. Look at here. The light is incident on the concave mirror through focus. After reflection it becomes parallel. This is an incident light. This is an reflected light. Look at here. The rays incident on concave mirror through focus. After reflection it becomes parallel to principal axis. This is rule 2. Now rule 3. The rays incident on concave mirror. Rays incident on concave mirror through center of curvature. After reflection it goes with same path. आप देखिए होता ये है कि जब हमारे जो रेज है कॉन्केव मिरर को सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर से ऐसा जा रहे हैं, जाके इंसिडेंट हुए समझिए. ठीक है, रिफ्लेक्ट क्या होते हैं ना, सेम रास्ते से वापस पलट जाते हैं लोग. ठीक है, डायग्रामेटिकली आई विल शो यू. लुक एट दी हियर. दिस इज आवर कॉन्केव मिरर. हियर फोकस, हियर सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर समवेयर. दिस इज एन सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर, यू कैन से. व्हेन दी रेस coming through center of curvature, incident ray, it will reflect same path, reflected ray. That means there is no change in the path. The way it incidents, it's go back on the same way. This is our 3 rules for concave mirror, which is very important 3 rules. As of now you need to remember these 3 rules. If you want, copy down this rule 3 also. Okay. Next session we will going to continue about ray diagram for convex mirror. Okay student, abhi just now we have done the ray diagram for concave mirror. Now the coming to the point, ray diagram for convex mirror. So ray diagram for convex mirror, I am just writing the theory part on board. You can see the pictorial representation on screen. Okay. So let's learn about the rule for ray diagram of convex mirror. Okay, look at here, ray diagram for convex mirror. A ray parallel to the axis, here axis is nothing but principal axis, on meeting the concave mirror, that means when it is incident on concave mirror, will get reflect, it will get reflect so as appears as it if it is coming from the focal point. So here the we wrote the sentence like so as appears as if it is coming from the focal point. Why we are writing this point means, in convex mirror we are not getting actual reflected ray, just we need to assumption that the ray is coming from particular point. So once again I am telling, a ray parallel to the axis on meeting the convex mirror will get reflected, so appears as if it is coming from focal point. Okay, you may not able to see me, but you can see this part of the board. I am just telling the diagrammatically representation of this rule 1. You can see. Okay, look at here, this is convex mirror. Okay, and this is an principal axis, somewhere here we can say focus or center of curvature, like this. So a ray parallel to the principal axis, look at here, the ray which is parallel to the principal axis, okay, will get reflect, so that actually convex mirror is then diverging mirror, the ray is diverge here, actual reflection is diverging. But when we are seeing, you can see here, look at here, this dot line, hope you can see. So it is appear that it has, so as appears as if it is coming from focal point, it is coming from focal point, you can see this. Okay, this is, ये आपका कॉन्वेक्स मिरर का रूल 1 है. यहाँ पे देखिए, जैसा ही आपकी लाइट पैरेलल रहती प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस से, कॉन्वेक्स मिरर के ऊपर जैसा इंसिडेंट होने पर एक्चुअली वो डाइवर्ज हो जाती लाइट, यानी कि जैसा मैं डायग्राम में आपको बता रहा हूँ ऐसा डाइवर्ज हो जाती. लेकिन हमको अब अजम्पशन करना पड़ेगा कि उसका जो उन्हें डाइवर्ज होने के बाद उसका जो रेस किधर से जा रहा, तो वो रेस आपको फोकल पॉइंट पे से चले जाएगा. ये आपका कॉन्वेक्स मिरर का रूल 1 है. इसका मैं पिक्चर्स भी आपको स्क्रीन पे प्रेजेंट कर दूंगा. देन रूल 2, दिस इज कन्वर्स ऑफ रूल 1. लुक एट हियर, ये जो रूल 2 है आपका, ये कन्वर्स है डायरेक्टली उससे. लुक एट हियर, व्हेन द लाइट, ओके, लाइट, लुक एट हियर, when the light is incident on focal, on mirror through focal point, actually what is happen, it's become like this, parallel. So it is just, we are taking this as assumption. Okay, and rule 3, you can see this as, hope you can see the part of this board. This is convex mirror. When the light is going through center of curvature, it's appear to go straight like this to the mirror. So this is a rule for convex mirror. This is an theory part. If you want, you can copy down this part, as well as I am giving the pictorial representation on screen. So this is all about our rules for concave mirror and convex mirror. So student, in today's class what we have learned, just I want to revise, we have learned about the mirror formula. Okay, apart from mirror formula, we have done one problem. Okay, this problem is very important, student. On the basis of this problem only, we have many sample problems. Okay, so you need to solve sample problems in from reader. Okay, apart from this, we have what we have learned. We have learned like rules for convex as well as we have learned the rule for concave mirror. So for today's class, I think I will going to stop here only. So in next session, we will going to continue different topics. So that's all about today's class. You were watching Ahliabad Institute YouTube channel from Ahliabad High School and Junior College, Kotla Alija, Hyderabad. I am Syed Rashid. Have a great time. Thank you.